Ronald, you are ungrounded for life.
Yes. I ungrounded Ronald.
Look, nature cat. Rami and Boo Boo just ungrounded me.
Rami and Boo Boo. How freaking dare you ungrounded Ronald? You know he a troublemaker. That's it. I'm calling both of you dad. And as for you Ronald, go to your room right now.
No.
Hello, it is Rami and Boo Boo dad speaking. Yes, he not believe what he both son did. Rami and Boo Boo ungrounded Ronald the purple cat. Can you please ground both him? Okay, thanks. Bye.
Rami and Boo Boo. How dare you ungrounded Ronald? You know he a troublemaker. That's it. You are grounded for one day. Go to your room right now.
Wait.